Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your device. Sign into your Google account and open the Google Maps app so your places and history sync. Once done, grant precise location and background permissions so live directions work. Make sure the app is updated. This avoids missing features in the updated interface. Next, set map type and units in settings to match how you navigate. These steps ensure the app responds correctly when you start searching, routing, or sharing locations. You now perform the core actions. Type an address, place name, or paste coordinates in the search bar and choose the best result. After selecting a destination, tap directions and pick a travel mode. Use the three-dot menu to avoid tolls or highways and to add intermediate stops. If you prefer an alternate path, drag the route or tap suggested routes to compare time and distance. Finally, label or save important places to favorites, so they're one tap. You start navigation and follow turn-by-turn guidance. Enable voice guidance and lane assist to reduce missed exits. Make sure to share your ETA or live location with contacts directly from the route screen when needed. If cellular service is spotty, download the offline map for the area before you go. If directions are wrong or navigation fails, toggle location services, update or reinstall the app, clear its cache, or re-download the offline region. These fixes usually restore accurate routing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.